No, we are in the IT environment now. We have a project plan to be created with Microsoft Copilot. And to use this, we will use a product specification report. Let me first open it to show you how it looks like. I don't remember exactly. Then we go to our SP acceleration. There is the Copilot example. Okay, this is the file. Let's review it a moment, all of us, just to understand the complexity of this file. Okay. So it's a cybersecurity infrastructure networking solution, and it has description of the key features. It has some technical requirements and specifications, implementation plan, and some information about maintenance and support. Okay, this is the file I'm going to use now with Copilot to create the report. So I copied it as I did before. And in this one, actually, is the example that we can do directly with the Copilot page. I enable Copilot for work here, not the web version. Okay, so we can search my document. We will allow him also to use web content. This is what I mentioned before. If you use Copilot for work and turn this on, it can find on your SharePoint, on your email, for example, on your Teams, but it can also find from external sources. Of course, when it does, he's going to give you the reference where he found the information. So now I'm going to give him the file. This part doesn't work. So that certification. I found it from here by clicking add context to your prompt. Okay. And let me go to the prompt itself. I am the director of IT in Adatum Corporation. Create a project plan for installing new network security product into a corporate network. Base this plan on industry IT guidelines for installing network security products. Of course, it's going to take some time to read, but it's already starting to take shape. As you can see, it took information from the document. It took also this from our SharePoint, but it also went online to give us the best information possible. So this is the project plan. Of course, if you want to expand, because you cannot create a full book, you can tell him, tell me more about the installation phase. I want a detailed description about this. But let's follow the Microsoft exercise and give him the next prompt. So we can say it's a good start, but it's missing some important areas. Please add the following items to the existing list: testing and quality assurance, training, communication, document reporting, stakeholder analysis, project timeline, risk assessment, and mitigation. Let's see if after he will actually include all these areas. I'm just curious, is any one of you also doing the same with his computer, or you're just watching? If anyone is doing, raise your hand, just for my personal curiosity. If not, it's okay, because we have this training. I'm going to have the video recording. You can do it also at your own pace to exercise. There are also other teams in Asia and Pacific, for example. Every Friday they meet and they show to each other what are the best and most cool prompts that they discovered by working by themselves or by customers. It's a very also nice idea to implement. Okay, so we asked him training, communication, reporting, stakeholder analysis, project timeline, risk assessment, and mitigation. Let's go to see. Okay, with document reporting, we have it. Stakeholder analysis, we have it. Project timeline, we have it. Risk assessment and mitigation. As you can see, it's not perfect. It has this project timeline. He did it twice, but it's fine. Let's make sure it's not bothering us. There is one more prompt that we can say, we are almost there. Please break down each item in the report into multiple detailed steps. Of course, what is important to show, in case you have a customer, focus on this. How much time would it take for a person without these capabilities to produce the content, to understand, to synthesize it, to produce it? For sure, it's not going to take a few minutes. And later, I'm going to tell you a life story I had from when I presented to some marketing directors in June. Also, what is the exercise that I did to help them think differently, not only price-wise for Copilot. So as you can see now, it's really expanded the document. So for each phase, it has at least 6 steps, and now we'll not continue through it, but in the chat, you still have a top of 30 responses that you can do before starting. And this means that you can tell them, okay, now write me a full paragraph on this risk assessment and mitigation, and gradually you can build all the document.